So today we're going to practice less than. So
choose less than or greater than.
We need the mouth to open to the bigger number. So which is bigger, 2 or 1? 2 or 1? 2 is bigger. So since 2 is bigger, we need the mouth open to this side. The mouth would be open toward the 2 to eat the bigger number.
Exactly. 2 is greater than 1.
Next one. Now 3 and 1, which one's bigger? Would you rather have 3 cookies or 1? I would rather eat 3 cookies, so I need the mouth open to this side, this way. So this would be a match.
Good job. 3 is greater than 1.
Okay, now which one's bigger, 11 or 18? So you have more money if you have $11 or $18. 18's more, it's greater. So I need my mouth open to 18, like right here.
Fabulous. 11 is less than 18.
Okay, 2 more. All right, so I'm going to pull up the calculator like we practice using in school so that we can figure out what 15 plus 9 is. Sorry, what 5 plus 9 is. 5 plus 9 equals. So now we're comparing 14 to 16. So is 14 bigger or 16 bigger? I know I'd rather have 16 pieces of candy, and when I was 16, I was bigger than when I was 14. So I need the mouth open to 16. Like this one, the mouth will be open to the side with 16.
Fabulous. 5 plus 9 is less than 16.
One more. So 0 plus 15 is just 15, because if I give you $0 more, you're not any richer. So the only one we're going to compare 15 to 12 plus 2. So I'm going to pull up my calculator. Remember, after every problem, I always have to press clear. So I'm pressing 12, 1, 2. Now plus 2. And to get my answer, I hit equals 14. So which one's bigger? 15 or 14? 15 is bigger. When I count 14, then 15. So 15's bigger. So I need my mouth open to 15, like right here. So 0 plus 15 is greater than.
Great job. 0 plus 15 is greater than 12 plus 2.
Great job.
Awesome.
Okay, so now we're going to go to our Nearpod lesson. In order to get to the Nearpod lesson, we need the code USQED. Again, that's USQED. You're going to take that code and go to nearpod.com or the Nearpod app. And enter our code USQED to join. The first thing we do is always the same. We have to type our name. So I'll type Miss Megan, you type your name, and then hit join session. So you know how we do things. The first thing that I always do is label them, and then you get to help me count. Okay? So I'm going to label the watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to label the watermelons in the next row. 1, 2. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. There are 2 watermelons. Now, which number is less? We are searching for the number with less today. So the smaller amount. 2 is less. I could see from looking at the picture that there's some missing here if they were the same. So this shows less. I could just look at the picture. And then I could say 2 is less than 5. So between 2 and 5, I'd rather eat 5 watermelons. That's a lot of watermelon. But it is reminding me I need to cut up some watermelon at my house. When you're done filling in your boxes over on the right, hit submit. Now we're on to strawberries. Okay, so I'm going to count the strawberries. I'll label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many strawberries are in the first row? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strawberries. Now we get to go to the second row. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, which one is less? Do you have less strawberries if you have 5 or if you have 7? 5 is less, and less is what we're looking for. So 5 is less than 7. It wants to eat the bigger number. Then hit submit. Okay, now we're up to corn. So I'll label the corn in the first row, then you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ears of corn. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ears of corn are there? 4. Okay, on to the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ears of corn in the next row. So which one's less? Is 4 less or 6? Are you smaller when you're 4 or when you're 6 years old? You're smaller when you're 4. 4 is less than 6. When you're done filling out the boxes on the right, hit submit. And we're on our last problem, which has raspberries. Delicious. Okay, I'll label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 raspberries. More realistic to eat than 5 watermelon or 6 watermelon. Ready? Next row, I'll label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have 7 raspberries. Now which one is less? This is our last problem. Okay. Now, if you hate broccoli and you want less broccoli, or if you hate Brussels sprouts, you want the one with less. Would you want 8 or 7? 7, because 7 is less. So 7 is less than 8. When you're done filling in the boxes on the right, that means you're all done with today's lesson. Great job practicing.